Welcome everybody to the Whole Circle Homestead. Today we got a fun project. We're going to upgrade the power wheels to run off a drill battery. Come along, let's have some fun. We got this for free off the buy-sell trade groups around us. It's got a bad battery. A new one costs about 80 bucks. I got this Milwaukee battery holder and an inline fuse for about 10 a piece. Let's get this thing fixed and back on the road. Before we finish our wiring, I'm going to screw this sucker in place so when the kids put the battery in, they don't rip everything out. Now that we got our battery mount secured, we'll put an inline fuse to protect our motor and battery, connect the positive, and then connect the negatives. We should be good to go. We'll push everything to the side and add some tape to keep it out of the way. Alright, let's give it a test run. And there you have it. Fun, simple project. Took me about 10 minutes with filming. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. On to the next big project. Push it all the way down. To the Whole Circle Homestead. Ugh. That's a wrap.